Hello everyone, this is Taransha Sarakaishamikal who adapt herself from Wattpad author to a booktuber, and today I am here because I got another challenge, another book challenge which is given by one of my fellow booktuber Priya, and this book challenge name is Book Association Challenge. Actually this is a game which is originated by Mel, who is also a booktuber, and she passed this challenge with a lot of booktubers, and somehow my fellow booktuber also got this challenge, and now it's my turn. Okay, before I begin with this game, I just let you know about the whole the instruction and rules and all. And these instructions are also given in the description, like in the Google Doc, which is also created by Mel. So you may also go for that. Okay. Now the instruction of this game is what I need to do is I will get a number and I just need to pair up with that number with a word which is also given in the Google Doc, list of words. Okay, then I need to come up with a book title. For example, if I got a number 30 and 30 number is associated with a word art, so I can come up with the book title, The Subtle Art of Not Giving Fuck. So this is how this game will work. This game will have 15 rounds. For each round I will get 10 seconds, and if I wasn't able to respond to the number, so to the words, so my points will be deducted. Now let me know about the rules. First rule is no cheating. I can't check out my Goodreads account, I can't check out any bookshelf so that I can memorize the name of the books. Okay. Then second point is I can't check out the word list before first of all I need to sit down, I need to be ready for this game, then I can check out the list of all those words. Now I just want to give one note that I'm not good enough to memorize the book names, so pardon for that. And you can also participate in this game with me, like the moment I get a number and the word, you can let me know in the comment section like what kind of book title you are coming across, and it's not necessary that you will answer all the book titles. Whatever book title you come into your mind, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to know about like who are participating with me. How I will get the number? Same in the Google Doc, there is a site given, random number generator. So I need to visit that random number generator site. The moment I will press the button, I will get the number. So according to the number, I can check out the Google Doc and I can start with the game. So without wasting much time, let's start with the game. Now, first number is 66, and 66 is associated with the word hell. So book title can be Heaven versus Hell. Lots of days before I got this challenge, I was scrolling down this books in the Amazon, and I got come up with this name. So that's why thankfully I remember this name. Okay. Next number is 93, and 93 is associated with the word city. So Girls and the City, I guess. Yeah, Girls and the City. This is also the trade published book which is exclusively published in the Indian Trade Publish House. I don't remember which house. So yeah. Next number is 23, and 23 is associated with the word like. A cut like wound. Yeah, a cut like wound. This is also part of my TBR list. So that's why thankfully I remember that. Next number is 144, and 144 is associated with the word rage. No idea. Okay. Now next number is 31. 31 is associated with the word pretty. Pretty woman, I don't know is there any book exist or not. I just maybe there is. Now next number is 101. 101 is associated with the word muse. Now for muse, still I have no idea. Okay. Another number is 128, and 128 is associated with where? Again, I have no idea. Okay. Now another number is 69. 69 is associated with the word sky. The sky is pink, or sky is the pink. I guess there was something like that, and it was written by a newbie author. Actually, I was just searching that is there any book name also for the same title which Indian film have, but it was just a newbie author's book. Okay, so next number is 87, and 87 is associated with the word rebel. Still, I have no idea. Now another number is 107, and 107 is associated with the word again. Well, again word can be used in the like installment of book, but still I have no idea. Next number is 112, and 112 is associated with the word club. Club to you dark, club to you death, I guess. Yeah, this is also a new book which is recently launched by HarperCollins. Now another number is 1, and 1 is associated with the word love. I too had a love story written by Ravinder Singh, another book from my TBR list. Yeah. Now next number is 30, and 30 is associated with the word broken. Broken, I guess I know there is a book which has same title, Broken, and author name can be, I guess, Dawn. I don't know complete name, but it was Dawn. Yeah. So now next number is 130, and 138 is associated with the word song. Death song, and it's a war-like book, and it is an Indian book. That's it, I just know. Death song is the main title of the book. Yeah. Okay. Now last number is 94, and 94 is associated with the word rise. Still, I have no idea. So that's it. I am done with this game, and I hope I get okay score. I scored good enough, but still, if I didn't, so it's okay. It's fine. So let me know in the comment section if you also come across any book title. Just let me know in the comment section. And by following the ritual of the book challenge association, I need to tag another booktuber. So I would like to tag Chris. He is also one of my fellow booktubers, so I hope he will perform this game in a better way. So all the best, Chris. So yep, I'm done with this game, and special thanks to Priya and Mel who create this game and come across to me so that I can play this game. Though I wasn't good enough to remember the name, but I think at least I scored better. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this game. I'll come back with a new video soon. Till then, keep reading and start imagining.